In this video, I'll show you how to cancel orders and get a refund on Stockx. Okay, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me just show you where to find what you're looking for. So on the top right-hand corner, you'll see your profile icon, and then you'll see buying. Click in that, and here it'll immediately take you to history, and you can see everything that you've bought. Click on the item, there'll be a refund option. I haven't bought anything, so nothing in here. Here's a picture I found on Reddit. Now, for my favorite part, policies. Link is in the description for the return policy. So you are only eligible for refund within a 14-day window. That's 14 days of delivery. Next important thing to keep in mind is you're going to be refunded in Stockx credit. So you're not getting cash back. Very important to remember. Another important thing to keep in mind is that Stockx refunds can take a week before you actually see the Stockx credit. Again, it's very important. Now, Stockx does offer a little something for those who aren't happy with their purchase but don't really qualify for a refund or a return. They will allow you to sell it at no extra fee. So you can resell your purchase without any fees if you do it within 90 days of delivery. And that is pretty much all I wanted to explain to you. Very important that you know that you are not getting cash back. You are just getting Stockx credit to buy more Stockx stuff. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.